Welcome to the Data Ninja YouTube channel. This is your host Brandon Hart, and today's episode will be web scraping. This will actually be a two-part episode. The first part, in 5 minutes or less, we're just going to demo the code. And then the next episode, if you're interested, I will go step by step through the code to teach you how I did it. Alright, so the website that I chose to scrape is NFL.com. And we're going to go to the stats page. Alright, if we click on complete list here, trying to get to a table. Here we go. This defaults to postseason. I'm interested in the regular season and also in year 2011. We'll click go. And this is what I want to web scrape. If you see here, it's about 50 rows of data per page, but there's about 7 pages. Okay, so Python code will actually iterate through each page, save all this into a data frame, and then save it to Excel. Alright, let's demo this Python notebook. Keep in mind that this can be found, you can pull this down at blhart216 NFL. Okay. And let's just go ahead and run this. Run all. Okay, I've hard-coded things like it's only going to look at the regular season for now, but of course you can change that. But as far as statistical category, you can actually pick passing, rushing, punting, whatever's on that web page. It will take it. It will not take running. And let's do 2011. Okay, right here you can see it's iterating through each page. It's showing a URL that it's using to get that page information. And now it's displaying the first 5 rows of the data frame, 319 rows, 16 columns, and it saved the results with a base file name of NFL_stats_demo. Saves it in the current directory. This is the file. Let me show you what it looks like. Voila! All of the rushing stats in the NFL. Pretty cool. We could even modify this code later to iterate through each year, maybe add a column for year, and we can pull all the rushing stats for multiple years and do some really cool analysis with that. Thank you for watching this episode. So the next part of the video, I'll actually step through the code and kind of explain how it works. But it uses Beautiful Soup, which helps to web scrape. One thing that you may want to look into if you want to watch the next video and learn how to do this is you need to know HTML. And if you don't know it, great resource to go to would be www.w3schools.com. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. Please click like if you like it. I'm also open to feedback and comments, so leave your comments. I would appreciate those. As well, if you use this on the GitHub site, please give me a star. Show me some love. Thanks a lot. Until next time, have a great one.